Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LDSR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame thing does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did do this one a couple days ago, so that's where these green line annotations here are coming from. But now looking at the chart, what I want to do is just really apply the KISS method here, keep it simple, stupid. So I'm going to go ahead and delete these lines out. Yes, they still pertain to the chart, but like I said, in the spirit of just keeping this as simple as possible, I want to just really focus on a single level that answers the question that's, again, a very logical question. So for those of you that care about the big picture and are thinking, Clay, what's a straightforward way to gauge the health of the move? This right here being defined as the move. So how can you gauge, monitor the health of that? That's where the purple line comes into play. The 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to continue to move itself higher and higher and higher. In fact, I like to call moving averages trend lines for lazy people, because if you don't want to draw a trend line, that's fine. You can let this quote-unquote trend line draw itself for you in the upwards direction. And again, as long as the price stays above that quote-unquote trend line, as the trend line gets drawn further and further in the upwards direction, then the full trend is in the bull's favor. And that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they really do kind of insult your intelligence. So in order for the price to stay above a line that's increasing, the price itself needs to keep on increasing, and that's the name of the game. So assuming, again, you care about the broad scope of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control of that trend. What about areas of resistance? In regards to where the sellers are currently hanging out at, party stop today up there at 0054, so that is where the current area of resistance is. But all in all, I mean, resistances matter, but in charts like this, they almost don't matter, because as long as the price keeps doing what it's been doing, and what has it been doing? Well, it's been building these higher stair steps. So as long as these higher stair steps continue to be built like this, and if you picture those as stair steps, then everything else will continue to take care of itself. So focus on building higher lows and let the rest of the pieces of the puzzle fall into place. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.